Hey everyone, welcome back again. So I'm your Sunil Kumar, Information Security Engineer from Black Hat Commando. So today I wanted to let you know all how to register an account inside Black Hat Commando portal. Okay, so please be patient for 6 to 7 minutes video to know entire process of our platform. Okay. Now open your any of the Chrome browser and mainly I am informing here that this is purely this video is made for computer users. Okay, for a mobile users, I'll be posting another video. Those who are registering through computer, uh, the process is from here. So let me type Google Authenticator. So before creating an account, we need to take our mobile in hand and we need to download Google Authenticator from either Play Store or App Store from iPhone. Okay. So the Google Authenticator app logo looks like this. So you need to install inside your application. Okay. After that, you need to sign in with your Google account. That's it. Then come to our computer Chrome tab and type Black Hat Commando. So, or you can directly type blackhatcommando.com also. So it will directly open the website. So now, as of now, I'm just telling everyone from scratch so that easily everyone can access. So here the results, you can directly access from here itself, the first link. So once you have come to the BlackHatCommando website, so it shows the interface looks like this. Okay. So now click on login button. Okay. If you are already a customer or if you are already an existing user, you can directly log in from this page. But you are a new user or a new customer. So you wanted to take courses, services from us. You just click on new to Elite, join now. So once you have clicked to this button, join now, it will open a create your account page that is nothing but sign up page. Okay. Now I'll be taking my full name, some random name I am giving. So you need to give your full name. Okay. So if you are taking any certification from us, your name should be correct match to your Aadhaar card or some PAN card or data DOB, any kind of certificate, it should be match. Okay. So I'm giving just a test trial. Okay. So we need to give our mobile number. Okay. Then we need to enter a password. So as of now, Google will recommend you strong password to choose from there itself. But I wanted to take the password from my own. So I will click on choose own. So it should be satisfied. The password while creating the account, you should satisfy minimum 8 characters and uppercase, lowercase, number and symbol should be mandatory. So let me type a password which is satisfying all. So that means it is showing here itself your password is satisfied to us. Okay, the same password we will type here. Okay, once we have typed the both passwords are same, it will shows a green mark with passwords match. As I have informed previously that we need to install Google Authenticator inside our mobile app, okay. So here the important it is showing as a display. So Google Authenticator is mandatory. Immediately after you're signing up, you have to please be ready with your phone. Okay. So I have given all my details. You can directly see from here itself. Okay. So once I click on create account, it will start processing to register our account inside the database. Okay. So now, as I discussed, we need to ready with our Google Authenticator. So now I'm be ready with my Google Authenticator. So if you open your Google Authenticator, it will show a plus icon here. So once you click here, so it will ask either scan or enter a code. Okay. So you can see like this. So it will ask to scan codes, okay? Or you can directly enter a unique code from here itself. So as a new user, I'm just explaining. So I'm having mobile in my hand. So I'm directly scanning the code. So I got the code inside my mobile. I'm directly opening or directly entering my code here and I'm clicking on enter. So it's the simple step. We need to register our accounts directly. So now I have entered into my dashboard. As of now, nothing will be shown because I haven't purchased anything. Okay. So I'm just taking a logout. Okay. So I already saved my password and I just click on Allied Access Portal. This time it won't ask authenticator QR. It will ask only code. You need to open your authenticator app in your mobile and take your code from the mobile and paste it here or type it here and click on verify. Your account will be registered. Boom. This is a simple process we have created for all the users. Okay. So in the next video, I'll be explaining how to register your Black Hat Commando account inside mobile. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment us. If you're having any doubts, you can directly scroll here and you can call our support team. So they will be helping you. Okay. Thank you for watching again. Tata. Bye bye.